Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Chrome Remote Desktop, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Chrome Remote Desktop website. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Look for the option to access your computer remotely. Select Remote Access from the menu on the site. If you haven't set up Chrome Remote Desktop yet, click on Set up Remote Access. Download the Chrome Remote Desktop extension from the. Once downloaded, click on Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. After installation, return to the Chrome Remote Desktop web page. Click on Turn on to enable remote access on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to name your computer. Set a secure PIN for access. After completing the setup, your computer will be listed under My Computers. To connect to a remote computer, return to the Chrome. Select the computer you wish to access from the list. Enter the PIN you created earlier. Wait for the connection to establish. Once connected, you'll have full control over the remote computer. Use the toolbar options for additional features like resizing the screen. When finished, remember to disconnect your session for security. Now you can easily access your computer from anywhere using Chrome Remote Desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.